welcome to my home. Today I'm doing a little behind the scenes of what I get up to when I'm filming for you guys. I think we sit down to watch TV, whether it's YouTube, normal regular television programs, films, and I don't think we necessarily ever take into consideration what it takes for that content to have been produced. What prompted this video are a few kind of misguided comments from people that just pass by the channel that aren't subscribed, that just complain about things such as the ads. Now with the longer form content, you are obviously given around 5 to 6 ads, really depends on the length of the video. And we can go in and take some of those ads out. I tend to take a couple out because I feel like an advert every 2 minutes is just too much. I mean, even I would click off the content. But without those ads, I can't produce the content. So they need to be there, and I feel like it would probably be really nice for people that are interested to see the behind the scenes of what goes into creating the content, seeing the filming process, everything that you kind of purchase in order to make that clean, fresh appearance. All of that costs money and it takes time to produce the content, then we have to edit it. We're not employed by YouTube to work for them. We don't get paid in that same respect. So I feel like it might give people a little insight as to why the ads are quite important and why we need them to be able to continue to bring you free content. It is about 100 degrees today. I'm going to show you the outside. So I'm going to start by taking you up to my studio. This is my house. So this is my little home studio. Still a little bit busy and we haven't really done much since we moved in. Let's put all the lights on. When I'm filming, I either like to listen to music or a podcast, and I'm revisiting my favourite Harry Potter audio books because I'm actually listening to a podcast that's talking about them. So a little insight as to what I'm listening to in the background. It's Harry Potter. I'm going to stop to make a shake. I'm actually filming a eyebrow tutorial, so I'm only doing a light amount of makeup on my face, and that is just the one tutorial. Then I have another one to film. So please stop, make a shake, have that, then carry on. So I just finished my eyebrow tutorial. I now need to go down and start editing. I think I might have to have some food first though. I'm sure you can see it takes a lot longer than what you guys get to see, because I have to get stuff out the drawers, I have to make sure I've got everything in shot, I have to adjust the camera lens, I have to zoom in and out, I have to make sure I film all the products. So even though you guys just get to see, you know, the little bits, it does take hours to get, you know, 1 or 2 tutorials filmed, and these are only small tutorials. When I'm doing a full face, it definitely takes longer, and if I have to get 2 done on one day, it's long. So I like to film 1 full face and then maybe something that's slightly shorter, so on a Thursday I can upload the slightly smaller one, or on the Sunday depending, because it does take so long to get everything done. I'm just going to tidy this little bit of mess up. I've left these here because these are new, so I want to film with them, and I also got the NARS cream bronzers that I want to use. So I just need to put everything away. I like to keep as much as all the things that I tend to reach for a lot on this little IKEA trolley. Those bits need to be put away, and then I'm getting better at keeping my table a bit cleaner because I am a messy worker. But this is, you know, pretty good for me, and it will be nice and clean in a moment. Now it's time to edit. Morning guys, so it is the following day. Tommy came home and it was quite late last night, so I needed to finish off chopping the video today and voicing it. If I'm using a new product, which I was here, I was using the Iconic London Liquid Silk Brow Setter, and I like to log on to the websites to make sure that the information I'm giving you is completely correct. I like to make sure there's no allergen issues, and I check to make sure there's no wild reviews on the product, just to make sure that if there are any, I can relay those onto you guys. So that in itself also adds to the time of editing. I then have to export the video. That's saved to the computer desktop, which then has to be uploaded to YouTube. Once that's uploaded, it has to run checks before it will play at 4K. Then what takes the longest is inserting all of the links, so no matter where you are in the world, you guys can shop the products that I'm using in the tutorial. I do try to use affiliate links where possible because it means I get a little kickback. It doesn't cost you anything extra for shopping. It just means that the retailer are the ones that pay the platform that I use the affiliate links from a commission. Once I've done that, I have to fill in the end screen, I have to add cards, and I have to add my tags. Once I've done all that, that is one tutorial ready to go live. All of that, 2 days work, and there's no guarantee that you're actually even going to get any funds from the work that you've done. That is why the ads are so important. If you guys watch the ads, if you don't skip them, it really does help YouTubers to be able to earn money in order to produce the content, because it is free to you guys. So I really hope you guys found that interesting to watch a little bit of behind the scenes. It's kind of like the day in the life of a YouTuber in terms of their work. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on Sunday with a new tutorial. Bye guys!